Hello everybody, happy Sunday, and I'm here at this awesome open house that I'm hosting today in West Oakland. And this area here, it's a very industrial-like. It's right across from a park and really close proximity to a lot of different places like shoppings and some food, restaurants, gas, cleaning services, and what's not. So this area here in this industrial zone has this beautiful loft right here, which is 1 bedroom and 1.5 bath, while you have, it's a 2-story, 2-level, and everything is like open spaces all throughout the unit. A lot of light, as you can see here, as I'm going to the middle of the loft, it's a lot of light and everything comes from the skylights. There are huge skylights all around the unit, which makes it so nice, light and airy right here. It has access through 2 different entrances, from the front and from the back, from the main street, and basically has everything you need. It's just going to be perfect for somebody that's looking for like a creative space for work, live in, you know, somebody that works a lot on a computer, a student, somebody that wants to be close to everything, because it's right here in West Oakland, a very central location. What else can be great for like meetings and just you know, creative, perfect space for somebody that also wants to be secure. And it's very quiet down here. Although you enter from the main street, you'll be surprised how quiet it's here. As you can hear, you don't hear no cars, no noise, nothing. It's just perfect. So this entire loft, very modern. Everything was fully renovated, although built in 1929. You'll see everything was very tastefully done. I would call it like from the Jackson Pollock art piece, if you will, if you know what I'm talking about. But it starts with a cement flooring. Let me show you. And then all throughout the features of the property, including the eat-in kitchen. You're actually going to transfer it around so you can see. So this is one of the doors. Here is the kitchen, all upgraded stainless steel appliances. Eat-in kitchen that opens up to the living room. Right here you have a little door for the washer and the dryer. As you can see here, it's open up. This is the other door right there, to the other side of the street. All tall ceilings, and then right here, as you walk up the stairs, you have these wall-to-wall carpeting. Here are the huge skylights. By the way, this unit, it has a 94 score of a sun score on the roof, which means that you don't get much radiation from the sun, and it's perfect for solar if someone decides to. This is the full bath, which is upstairs. And look at this beautiful shower. Custom-made shower. This is the master, just like that, upstairs. And here is the closet. It's a very open space. Perfect as a central location, you know, beautiful loft. So 1 bedroom, 1.5 bath, currently listed for $599,000. If you are interested or know anybody that might be interested, you can reach out, and I'm gonna leave my information under the video. Thanks for watching. Here are the skylights.